It looks like an ordinary signage with two colors on the face panel, nothing special. But in fact, it is the most difficult signage in the 3D printing industry so far. First of all, we need a 3D signage printer with 3 extruders, Extruder 1, Extruder 2, and Extruder 3. Secondly, we need a special color for the filament. It is a transparent color, which is also called translucent clear. Thirdly, we need to make 3 different printing files for different parts. The position of each printing file on the printing bed must be 100% accurate. Besides, the surrounding lines must be 100% correct. Finally, we can get a signage with super glossy face. The filling on the back of the face is super transparent. This is perfect for light diffusing. Meanwhile, it will keep the face color, blue and white, in pure status. There are 2 colors only on the face panel. So why is it so difficult? Reason 1. The blue color is not surrounded by other color, and the white color is not surrounded by other color either. They are not surrounded by each other. Let's take a look at this signage with 3 colors on the face panel. The yellow color and white color are surrounded by the blue color. As a result, this signage is very easy to print. Reason 2. The entire side wall is in blue color. This is very difficult in this case, because most 3D signage printers have no choice but to leave a slim white layer on the front of side wall, or just leave entire white color on the side wall. I mean, a slim white layer on the front of side wall like this. Or with entire white color on the side wall like this. Eventually, the face is super glossy. And the filling on the back of the face is super transparent. This is the most difficult signage in the 3D printing industry so far. Thanks for watching.